ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಲಲಿತಾ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಆಟೋ ಲಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಆಟೋ ಲಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್
ಬರ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು
ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬರ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು
ಇವತ್ತು ಬಟ್ ಅವರು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ
ನೋಡೋಣ ಕೇಳಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ
ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ
ಕೇಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಇದು ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿ
ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ 8776 ಹೌದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ 8776 88776 26
ಹೌದಾ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್ WP8776 ಆಫ್ 2026 ಅದು ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ದು ಆಟೋ ಲಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆಯಂತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದೆಯಂತೆ ಅದು DRT ಅಂತ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿಮ್ಮನೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಟೋ ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಟೋ ಲಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅವರೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ವೈಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅದು
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್
ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್ ಅದು ಅದೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಅದು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್
ಮೇಡಮರೇ, ಜಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇವರೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, ರಿಕಾಲ್ ಇವ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಜಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇತ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಕ್ಲೆಮೆಂಟಬಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಈ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಹಿಂದ್ಕೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಮೆಮೊ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೆ, ಮೆಮೊನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೆ. ಅದು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಒಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರು, ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ತನಕ ಅದು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮೇನ್ ಅಪೀಲ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹೇಳಿ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾವಿಷನ್ ಇದೆ? ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್, ಅದೇನ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಕ್ಲೆಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಪೀಲ್ ನಮ್ಮ
ಅದನ್ನ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಅಪೀಲ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದೆ. ಕ್ಲೈಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಪೀಲ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕೇಳಿ, ಪ್ರಾವಿಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿ ನೋಡಿ.
ಈಗ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್
ಬನ್ನಿ, ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದು ಅವ್ರಿಲ್ಲ
Court officer. Court officer.
11:15.
11:50 madam.
11:15. 15.
Madam, ಧಾರವಾಡ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅಥವಾ ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಹೌದು ಸರ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು 11:15ಗೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ
ಮೇಡಮ್ ರೆಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಗದೆ 11:15ಗೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಸರ್ ಈಗಿಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
Mega. Can top of the list and top of B group first after. Direction ಇಲ್ಲ B group top ಅಲ್ಲ top of the list ಐತೆ direction ಇದೆ
Humble request, please. Claimant appeal disposed of, company is pending, my lord submitted, my last, lord directed to
See,
report
next
this
week.
matter on.
Yes, next week. Yes,
This is matter pertaining to 2015 death case matter.
yes.
Your Lordship. Today.
All MFAs take it, we'll give it one day.
Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship. Season 2000, end of the list, Your Lordship. Today, Your Lordship. Sale date is today, Your Lordship, 3 p.m. That's the reason, Your Lordship.
Why it is not listed today?
Your Lordship, I am not, Friday I am filed, Your Lordship, and afternoon it is not yet
Don't
sitting.
comply with the office objections, it won't come.
I will comply, Your Lordship. No, Your Lordship, I am not moved, Your Lordship. I am not yet complied, Your Lordship. Friday itself I am filed, Your Lordship. That's the reason.
No, while filing the writ petition, if you comply with the office objections, it would come.
Afternoon I am filed, Your Lordship.
Yes, and if it comes by 1:30, I'll take, otherwise no.
Physical possession of my property is taken over, my lords. I'm ready for the conditions imposed by this honorable.
No, why are you giving memo is the first question.
Physical possession has been taken
No,
over.
that's
my
true.
lords.
When did you file the matter?
Matter was filed pre-vacations, my lords, before the winter vacations.
And
So-
now you are pressing for it.
Indeed, my lords. So actually deposited the money.
We'll see, take it. Yes,
36 flat.
no, that we'll call. Yes, call the list.
Page wise adjournment, list number 1, page number 6, serial number 24 to 56,
Serial number.
page number 7, 27, 28, page number 8, 29 to 30, page number 9, 31 to 38.
Well, serial number 32. Well, the impugned order is in the local language. I need to file, the impugned order needs to be, 32 man. I need to file the translated copy of the impugned order. If a week's time may be granted, matter may be had next
It's
week.
after a week. Have you, no, notice is not ordered till now.
No, man.
And what will we do with the translated copy? First, let us issue notice, let it be there in the list.
Sure.
Yes.
Serial number 17.
Page number 10, serial number
Serial
39 to 43.
36.
Yes,
I pray for a week's time.
it's a fresh matter. Why are you asking for time?
Preliminary hearing.
Huh?
Preliminary hearing.
That's what I'm saying. It's a fresh matter. Why are you asking time?
I have to go to trial court for evidence.
When do you want?
1 week.
This is matter after a week. Yes, next.
Page number 10, serial number 39 to 43, page number 11, 44 to 47,
44, your lordship. Appearing for the petitioner, your lordship. We have informed the other side as well, your lordship.
They have no objection.
No, your lordship.
You have an interim order.
Please, your lordship.
Listen, the land council appearing for the petitioner seeks time. It is submitted that the respondent has no objection. List this matter in the month of June. Interim order earlier granted is extended until further orders. Yes.
page number 11, page number 12, serial number 48 to 54.
51, please, my lord.
Yes.
I appear for the petitioners. I have informed the respondents. please, my lord.
Kindly have it next week. Find the objections.
Why it is,
They have served the objections
Copy
just
on
on
Saturday.
Saturday.
File it in the counter. Kindly have it
This-
next week. Any date.
list this matter on 26.
Interim order may be extended.
Interim order earlier granted is extended till then.
Obliged.
Page number 13, serial number.
All these final hearing matters, please give one date, all MFA matters.
Yes, ma'am.
And only this, let this 57 be there, we'll hear. All other MFA matters, we'll give one day. Yes.
Page 1, list number 1, preliminary hearing B group matter, serial number 1, KV Narasimhan for petitioner, KV Lokesh.
Yes,
My lord, I'm ready to withdraw the matter, my lord, with liberty to seek appropriate remedy. My lord, there's also a connected matter, my lord, wherein they filed a writ petition challenging the possession notice. My lord, it's a applicant. I'm a co-applicant. My lord, the
where is
what
that number? That also will post.
that is connected with this.
Next matter, yes, the writ petition is filed.
It's becoming infructuous, my
Huh?
lord. It's becoming infructuous, my lord. We withdraw the case, my lord.
You have withdrawn the case. Where?
Kindly positive, you filed a with.
No Passover, every day this Passover business will not do. The writ petition is filed against Oxilo
My lord, I'll
Fine
file
Soap
memo.
Private Limited. The writ petition against the same is not maintainable in the light of the law laid down by the Honorable Apex Court in so and so, so and so. The petitioner has also filed a memo to withdraw the writ petition. That is in the first matter. In the first matter. Accordingly, the writ petition is dismissed as withdrawn with the liberty to avail the appropriate remedy, both the matters. Yes, next.
Two for dismissal matter. Sajid Ahmed.
Well, I filed my NOC Vakalat vented appearance. The counsel who was appearing earlier, now he has surrendered his Vakalat and he's joined employment elsewhere. I'm told that that is the reason for his non-appearance earlier. Petitioner before your lordships is neither borrower or guarantor. Petitioner has purchased
What is your questioning? Called for records and TSA from DRT to Bangalore.
Yes, ma'am.
Quashing the
Now,
order.
a review petition is filed, a review petition is filed before the DRT.
After filing a review petition, why are you here?
No, the problem is, I'm not made a party. I have purchased the auction, the bank, brought the mortgage property to auction. Third respondent here in purchased the property. Thereafter, third respondent has conveyed the property.
When did you buy the property?
I purchased the property, on 18/12,
Which year?
2008, I purchased, 37/2008.
My lord,
For respondent 4, we have given NOC.
Auction purchases.
Yeah. So, and
my
the
lord,
names
for
were deleted.
Punjab National Housing Finance Bank, we are not appearing, my lord. We are not appearing for National Housing Bank.
Your lordships had directed me to serve copies on Learned Counsel Mr. Vignesh. I have served.
National Bank, we are
However,
appearing,
I'm
my
told.
lord.
Not appearing.
Housing-
Who appears then?
There is a change in panel, I'll find out and I'll serve the standing counsel.
Give the name to the court officer. Petition, it is submitted that Mr. Vignesh Shetty. This is a nationalized bank.
Yes, They have a standing counsel. I'll just find out, There is a change in standing counsel.
Then counsel, it is submitted that Mr. Vignesh Shetty is not appearing for respondents 1 and 2. Then counsel submits that he'll serve the copy on so and so. Give the name to the court officer.
For R4 NOC Vakalat, for R4 NOC Vakalat has been given. Name may be
R4,
deleted.
your name is there.
Yeah, Guru Datta. Name may be
This is matter, day after tomorrow. May I delete from the caption dismissal.
May I make this request, Respondent number 3, is also a necessary party, because respondent number 3, is the vendor, of petitioner. She, will have to be heard. Now, service
The
insofar.
borrower, your vendor is the borrower.
My vendor, is not the borrower. My vendor, is the auction purchaser.
Just let the bank come. If the bank comes on record, things will be clear.
Now
Anyway,
the-
we will not be deciding anything here.
Yes,
that
all-
Whether you have any, if you have a claim, you have to go somewhere, not before this court.
No, my limited relief is, I have to be
Okay.
heard, in the DRT before any orders.
We'll see.
Yes.
Till number 3.
Obliged.
Till number 3. Sri Rajesh.
My lords, you've settled the matter, my lords. Tomorrow we'll file a joint memo and close the matter. my lords.
Please,
How many times it will come for that?
But, there were
Tomorrow.
some
No,
issues.
we
my-
can't list the matter every time.
It's
for your
tomorrow, my
memo.
lords.
This is finally tomorrow. If the joint memo is not filed, the petition will be dismissed.
Much okay.
Till number 4. Kavita D.
My lord, liberty may be given to
Shetty.
approach DRT, my lord. Limitation may be condoned.
The memo is filed. You have filed a memo.
Yes, ma'am.
The memo is filed seeking to withdraw the writ petition with the liberty to approach the DRT. Writ petition is dismissed as withdrawn with the liberty to approach the DRT. Petitioner shall have the benefit of section 14 of the Limitation Act.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes.
Till number 5. Tamparaju. For petitioner.
That's for the
Purushottam.
petitioner. Because petitioner is ready with the money, my lords. Petitioner is ready with the money. If notice is issued, my lord, within 1 month she'll pay the entire amount, my lord, to the bank.
I think you can be little louder. I'm not able to hear anything.
My lord, petitioner is ready with the money, my lords. If notice is issued within 1 month, she'll pay. Petitioner is ready with the money, my lords. Mortgage amount. If
You're
notice
ready
is,
with the money.
please, my lords.
Ah.
If notice is issued, she'll pay the entire money in 1 month, my lords.
No, I didn't get you. She is ready with the money. What do you want?
We need some time, my lords, to pay the money to the bank.
What is outstanding?
Outstanding is around 20 lakhs.
So from 2023, you have not paid anything till now.
No, with interest as on date, she is ready with the money.
Who appears for UCO Bank?
Notice is yet to be issued. Notice is not issued.
Not, he has not filed the wakalat.
He cannot file, but he is.
What's his name?
L. Purushottam Rao name is shown, but he has not.
No, no, you have the list of advocates. Yes, Vignesh Shetty, who appears for UCO Bank? Yes, Mr. Suresh, who appears for, we have no clue. It's a nationalized bank. Please find out who appears
Obliged, my lord.
and tell the court officer.
Obliged, my lord.
Registry is directed to print the name of so and so. There is no though Mr. L. Purushottam's name is printed for the bank, no representation and no wakalat is filed. He'll give the name, tell her. Yes, next. Tomorrow.
Cell number 6.
Or no, day after tomorrow, so that they'll get some opportunity. Yes, 6.
Cell number 6.
I paid for the petitioner, my lord. The writ petition becomes infectious as the property in question in the petition has already been sold and they have adjusted the amount here.
The writ petition is filed seeking the following prayer. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petition has become infectious as the property is already sold. That apart, the writ petition is filed against Jana Small Finance Bank Limited. And the writ petition is not maintainable against said bank in the light of so and so. Accordingly, on both the grounds, the writ petition is dismissed.
Cell number 7. Shankar Narayan Bhatt.
Petitioner in this case, Lord. Lord, in this case, last occasion, Lordship directed to file affidavit. If by next 1 month, we will ready to pay 10 lakhs and on or before
Let's
16.
see your affidavit. Please pass on. Have you given him a copy of it?
Or before 16/6/2026, we will clear all the dues. 16/6/2026.
As on date, it is 55 lakhs. Last 2 years.
Please look at it. What did he say?
Para number 5, please.
He says he'll pay 10 lakhs now and remaining amount on or before 16/6/2026.
Not long time, not 2 years ago. It's a cooperative bank, my lord.
Writ petition is pending from 2024. You are happy with it. And now when somebody is going to pay by June, that's the whole problem with the
June is a
banks.
very long time.
Huh?
June is a very long time.
Huh?
June, my lord.
Yes.
Last time till June.
I'll adjourn this matter in the month of
Please,
July
Lord.
so that it will serve the purpose.
April. Time may be granted.
Banks should be reasonable. You will wait in the litigation for years together. The present writ petition is filed, seeing the following prayer. On the last occasion, when the matter came up, and counsel submits that they are ready to pay the money. Hence, this court has directed the petitioner to file an undertaking affidavit. Today, an undertaking affidavit is filed stating that they undertake to pay rupees 10 lakhs within 1 month from today. Today is
16/6.
that is by 16th of April. And the remaining amount, they'll be paying on or before 16/6/2026 and clear all the dues. Learned counsel appearing for the respondent bank submits that from 2024, no amount is paid.
Please.
No amount is paid. It is submitted that the outstanding
55
as on today is,
55 lakhs.
that's a round figure.
Please. Send it.
52 lakh something in the account statement.
As on 53 lakhs, 56,000.
53 lakhs, 56,000.
21 rupees.
Uh,
As on 12/3.
As on 12/3. The respondent bank shall inform the petitioner by 10th of June, what is the remaining amount? And basing on that, the petitioner shall pay the entire amount by 16/6/2026. Accordingly, this court is passing the following order. The writ petition is disposed of in the light of the affidavit filed by the petitioner, and petitioner shall pay an amount of rupees 10 lakhs by 16th of April, and the remaining amount shall be paid by 16/6/2026 and by 10/6/2026. What is the exact amount outstanding? The respondent bank shall communicate to the petitioner. If the petitioner fails to pay either the first installment on by 16th March or the remaining amount as undertaken before this court, the respondent bank is at liberty to proceed further in accordance with law.
Number 8, GR for petitioner, Francis Xavier.
Petitioner.
Lord, in this matter, the petitioner is claiming right over. In this matter, the petitioner is claiming right over the scheduled property, my lord. And therefore, the respondent bank is conducting an internal investigation. Therefore, we are withdrawing the writ petition, my lord.
You are withdrawing?
We are withdrawing all the measures taken under the SURFACE Act, my lord.
Where is that affidavit memo? Take that.
Copy.
Check their mics and put it on. A writ petition is filed, seeking the following prayer. A memo is filed on behalf of the respondent stating that the subject matter of the scheduled property is also mortgaged in favor of the respondent one bank. Petitioner is also claiming the right over the scheduled property by virtue of the sale deed dated 28/4/2018. The bank has initiated the internal investigation and the same is pending final outcome. In view of the same, the respondent bank is withdrawing all the measures initiated under the provisions of the SURFACE Act with the liberty to reinitiate the same in any event. The mortgage created in favor of the respondent number 1 is just and proper. Accordingly, the memo placed before the court by the respondent is taken on record, and the writ petition is allowed by setting aside so and so, by setting aside all the measures taken by the bank. Number 2, the respondents are at liberty to take appropriate action in accordance with law as per the memo filed before the court.
Serial number 9. Serial number 9. Nafiza M. Mullah.
Your lords, on behalf of the petitioner, your lords, the petition stands infructuous, your lords. The bank has already taken the position, so we'll withdraw the petition, your lords.
Memo, give the memo. Land counsel for the petitioner submitted the petitioners become infructuous and the respondent bank has already taken position. Accordingly, memo is taken on record, dismissed as infructuous.
Name may be shown. My name may be shown.
Mr. Suresh. Suresh?
Suresh V.
Suresh V. Appears on behalf of the
Respondent.
You filed your wakalat.
I filed my wakalat.
Mr. V. Suresh V. Appears on behalf of the respondent. Yes, next 10.
Number 10. Chetan B.
Memo is filed seeking acceptance of paper publication. Memo is filed seeking acceptance of paper publication. Acceptance of notice by way of paper publication in respect of R2. Hence notice to R2 is held sufficient. Yes.
Number 11. Serial number 11.
I'm for the petitioner in this.
Respondent bank in this matter.
Let's needful complaint. We have paid a PF to issue notice to R2.
Your file?
We have paid a
No,
PF.
that is not relevant. Which year? This writ petition is of the year 2021. What is the interim order? What is the writ petition?
Not
Why
my-
is it pending here?
That this is a matter where the property in question has been funded by multiple banks. It appears that the builder has made a fraud. What has happened, my lord, as per the petition, the landowners have entered into a joint development with one person, and he has he also has a power of attorney, registered power of attorney in his favor. Now, what he has done, my lord, admittedly, my lord, page. Not in page 34. That is the Annexure C. Annexure C is the title document of the petitioners. In that, in page 34, point number 7.
Hold that the first respondent bank cannot enforce the order dated passed in OA number.
My lord, I'll
Is
just.
the order passed?
My lord, this is what has happened, my lord. They claim to have got title by virtue of the sale dated 38/2004.
When is the order passed in OA?
Not, that OA order has been passed. Attachment warrant has been issued on 14 December 2020. That is in challenge, my lord.
14 December
2020. At which point I have filed a caveat on behalf of the respondent bank. Previously, the IDBI bank has filed a recovery proceedings through a original application before the DRT, wide OA number 120 of 2005. 128 of 2005 was allowed, wherein the builder, he also had another firm, Baron Chillan Thrill, who's the defendant number 1, and his wife and son are the guarantors. So bank has gone against the Baron Chillan Thrill, and they have obtained a decree. In the decretal proceedings, the recovery officer has issued a attachment warrant. At which point of time I have filed a caveat, and this caveat was served on the respondent. The very next day they have gone and the attachment warrant was also pasted on the property. At which point they have filed the present petition. The case of the petitioners is that they have got title to the property by virtue of Annexure C. It is sale deed dated 38/2004.
38/2004.
That is their sale deed. And what has happened?
So your mortgage?
Our mortgage, my lord, it is way back, my lord. Our mortgage, I'll just. Our mortgage is of 7/12/1998.
Who has mortgaged the property? The builder has mortgaged.
One Vijaya Prabhu, who is the wife of the developer,
Has mortgaged the property.
Has mortgaged the property as a guarantor.
Developer sold the property to him.
Lord?
Developer sold the property.
Developer, by virtue of the registered GPA, he has represented the landowners and he has sold the property through, I'll just mention the sale deed also, Lord.
What is the nature of the property?
It's a apartment, it's a flat.
Same apartment.
Same flat. Multiple funding has happened.
So what is to be done?
My lord, what is to be done is, my lord, our charges prior to the sale also with respect to the petitioners. Our NPA is of the year 2000. And their sale deed is of the year 2004.
So encumbrance is not reflecting in the encumbrance certificate.
No, it's not a registered mortgage. In the year 1998, only the deposit of title deed with a document was done.
So he is a bona fide purchaser.
They came to a bona fide purchaser, but
no,
no.
not claiming.
Yeah,
Now,
yes,
there
ma'am.
is no encumbrance.
It appears that they
how
are.
do you know?
Yes, ma'am. Now the remedy available is they have to approach civil court and challenge the. They have to fight for the title. This court has no jurisdiction.
The arguing counsel was not.
Ask him to come tomorrow. This is matter tomorrow.
No, day after
tomorrow.
Well, it's day after tomorrow was not available by the senior was not available.
Tomorrow.
Much.
Seal number 12. Rama Raya, petitioner, TP Muttana.
R3 will reissue the notice.
Let's see what is the petition about. What is this?
It was posted for dismissal, my lord. This matter was posted for dismissal because they are not taking any steps. The order is there.
We took steps, my lord. Await notice.
No, let's see. What is this petition about?
Not in this
You don't
case,
have the
my-
papers? You don't have the papers?
Okay.
Not served on you?
No, it is not served.
We served, my lord.
Not me, I have not
Set
filed.
aside the order passed by the Decree Tribunal
Not filed the Vakalata.
dated 29/6/2020.
We have served the copies last week, sir. We couldn't serve.
Varlalala.
Yeah, I will serve.
What do you want?
Another copy.
Then counsel for the petitioner serve the copy of the writ petition of the counsel appearing for the respondent bank. This is matter on 26.
Then number 13.
My lord, I appear.
We have to respond number 1, my lord.
Impugned order dated
Yes.
24/4 passed by the DRT is questioned on 2024.
Yes.
That's the final order, my lord, in the OA, which has been allowed in favor of the banks.
No, that's passed on 24/4.
Please.
You are not a party,
I was not a party, my lord.
you are the borrower.
My lord, I am the purchaser of the apartment units, my lord. All the petitioners.
Mortgage property.
My lord, what has happened is, my lord, only one factor, my lord, I would like to.
And when was the mortgage?
My lord, these again, the OA itself was filed in 90.
No. When
My
did
lord.
you purchase the property?
My
My lord,
lord,
the mortgage, may I mention
subsequently,
the
my
date,
lord,
The mortgage
doing,
date,
1 minute.
the mortgage date, my lord, is 25/4/1997.
Yeah, 2009, my lord,
1997 in favor of the original lender, SBI.
Hmm.
And it was extended on
25/4,
30,
1997.
97, my lord. Then thereafter, it was extended on 35/1998.
Hmm.
Because the account has been assigned from SBI, the original lender, to Kotak Mahindra Bank, my lord, by way of assignment. And we have
When
been
did he
substituted.
purchase?
2009, 2011, my lord, all subsequent,
During
sales.
pendency of OA.
Without notice of
You
this.
purchased in 2009.
Yes. 99 also, my lord, some of the petitioners have filed in the,
But that is difficult. How can different cause of actions, how can you file one writ petition? Now will you understand now which petition has purchased when?
my lord, I have given the details in the writ petition.
Where is the table?
My lord, in the synopsis, your lordships may, I'll give the separate synopsis, my lord.
No,
Yes.
you have purchased the property. Whoever have purchased the property before the mortgage to the bank, they stand on a different footing.
Different food.
And the persons who have purchased the property.
Well,
after
all the petitioners have purchased, my lord, subsequent to the, my lord, the mortgage.
Subsequent, then what, then how can you agitate your rights before this court?
Then, my lord, only one submission. The second respondent is the original mortgagee. Then subsequently, it was assigned to the first respondent. My lord, after this was assigned to the first respondent during the pendency of the OA, second respondent again creates a mortgage in respect of the one of the, my lord, the apartments sold to the petitioner number 2.
What he does?
My lord creates a mortgage
Whatever it is.
in favor of the, my lord, second respondent.
Fact remains is there is a mortgage.
Yes.
A charge over the property by one bank or the other bank. You have purchased the property after, without even verifying any of the documents.
My lord, all the, my lord,
They must have deposited the title deeds with them.
my lord, all the documents, my lord, all the bank, my lord, they have all borrowed from the banks for the purchase of, my lord, the apartments.
Same bank.
My lord, in one petitioner, my lord, borrowed from the, my lord, the second respondent number 2, SBI, original mortgagee. Last mechanic check. Original mortgagee who assigned the mortgage to the respondent number 1 again creates a mortgage, my lord, on the same property in the year 2001. This is what I wanted to make, my lord, point. So there is no enforceable mortgage, my lord.
Don't have benefit of the copy of the petition. If the, my lord, they serve a
Do
copy.
not receive.
Not receive. If they serve a copy, my lord, I'll take.
He appears with the bank.
State Bank of India.
Second
Copy not,
respondent bank.
My lord, I'll serve the copy, my lord. I have copies. I'll serve.
So you
But then
shouldn't
the
have.
main.
This is the, my lord, the,
Should have filed independent writ petitions because their cause of actions
Where
are all different.
my lord,
Because everybody has to be dealt with differently. How can with these kind of cause of actions, one writ petition, then counsel for the petition, serve the copy of the writ petition on the second respondent, counsel for the second respondent bank. List this matter on 1st of April.
my lord, interim order, my lord, may kindly be continued.
My lord,
Come
my
on.
execution proceedings has been stayed, my lord.
Anyhow, whatever it is,
No,
we
may I
will,
have one submission, my lord. There are 2 set of properties.
no, I understand.
They are only.
Let
they are-
him also.
Understand, my lord. I may be permitted to make my submission.
There are two set of mortgage properties. They are only concerned about one set of properties, 8 apartments. That is what is being challenged here.
I'll dispose the matter on the day when it comes on second.
Please.
Cell number 14, Sandhya U. Prabhu,
You
petitioner.
give the papers, no, sir.
I'll give the papers. to
Yes.
her. I'll give.
14, Sandhya U. Prabhu.
Lord,
Next,
case of
15.
petitioner in this case. Lord, filing a memo, my lord, that they have to come up with they've given the memo of calculation, just a calculation, my lord. They did not come up with the proof, any documents, my lord. I'm the.
Why will we decide all that here? Your proof and all.
May make my submission. My lord, I'm the petitioner, my lord, the borrower.
To make a complaint to the bank ombudsman about their, the way they are conducting the affairs, so that you will get an opportunity. They'll call them and they'll, because it goes on forever and ever, and your client will not get any relief. No, when you have filed this petition 24, it's pending till 26. Now, the interest would be piling up for these 2 years.
Property is sold, my lord. Property is sold. My lord, there was a direction by this honorable court. My lord, I filed a petition asking to pay them the balance sale proceeds, my lord. More than the loan availed, my lord, they have given the calculation of the recovery agent. And they have mentioned some enforcement company, my lord.
No, but you just tell the court, what is the expertise of this court to decide what would be the amount they would spend for the, the property?
I'm only
and what
asking
are the
for
charges?
I'm only asking for the detailed documents, my lord, that as a borrower, my lord, I'm entitled to the balance sale proceeds. I lost the property. After losing the property, the balance sale proceeds, my lord.
For the court, for questioning the proceedings initiated under the Surface Act. That's the jurisdiction of this court. Not all this.
No, not under Surface Act.
That's what I'm saying. If it is not, why how this petition is maintainable before the court? Why would we ask them for all what they do day-to-day business?
The property.
There is a cell. Can't they look into all this if they have any grievance?
Petitioner father property, my lord, put for auction and we have sold it.
We are not on the merits of the matter, Mr. Vignesh. If the petitioner has any claim on any of the manner in which you have conducted your business, what is the relief to them?
Lord, according to me, they should go to only DRT.
Only?
Only DRT.
DRT, my lord.
No,
Technicality.
the reason is, I'm telling you, that is one is illegality.
Where is no,
In fact,
what illegality?
My lord, he says, my lord, kindly see the prayer he sought, saying that writ of mandamus directing the respondent bank to return the balance sale proceeds to the petitioner as directed number WP number so and so so and so. Either if, my lord, I have two fold of submission. First fold, my lord, submission is in case he is implementing the order or my lord, he's issued any notice which I am not complied, then my lord, he would have gone before the contempt. Second, in respect of any illegality or my lord, in respect of any money he is not paid, then my lord, in view of the my lord, Sardar Associate judgment, it says that my lord, everybody has to go before the DRT.
No, that because your banks are always there in the DRT.
It's not a question of
DRT.
it's not a question of bank.
No, it's not that. Please listen, Mr. Vignesh Shetty. This is a simple query. For a query also, why should one go to the
I have given the details.
DRT?
I said, my lord, one of the there are two legal here. One legal here already accepted 50% of the money, which remaining money accepted and gone. The one more legal here is having some issues. In fact,
we are mixing up the issues. One simple question. Why can't the bank, now you say you are a bank, you have for everything, you are accountable. For every 1 paisa you spend, you are accountable. What you are saying, exorbitant figures that you have for protecting this property, for selling the property, you have spent this much of money. Why can't there be, why can't it be accounted? Saying that I have spent this much, it's all accounted.
Everything I provided, it's not.
Where is it? Let's see. What did you provide?
Let us see. Memo which I filed earlier also, my lord, last date also, my lord, I served a copy upon other side.
Take that.
Copy upon the memo, my lord, memo last time.
No, you people are complicating everything. Yes.
My lord, I may permitted to my lord read before that one more memo we have filed. I filed it on my lord 13 November 2024 memo of calculation.
Yes, let's see what is that.
The advocate for the respondent bank humbly submits that coordinate bench of this honorable court today ordered it at 21/12/2023 in WP number so and so directed a petition to
you pass on something. Where are you reading from?
That is my lord pursuant to order made by this honorable court. Today I am producing, and earlier also I produced. I given the details.
So please stick to this and tell the court what it is.
Please, my lord. It is a money which I incur. My lord, kindly come to my lord. The advocate of the respondent humbly submits that pursuant to order directions issued by this honorable court, we have ordered it 14/1/2026. The details of the amount incurred by the respondent bank are herewith producing along with a memo. The kind perusal of this honorable court. OD number so and so amount of rupees 18,90,000 plus charges. And
what do you say? This unenforcement means what?
My lord, they are the agency. They, my lord, what will happen in my lord when you are taken a position of a property? We'll take some agency help to my lord my lord, in respect of my lord engaging the my lord security guard. In fact, almost 7 years that position was with me. Bank can't my lord,
7 years.
6 to 7 years, yes. They will not deny that. Bank can't, my lord, manager can't go and stand there, and we have to engage some agency to my lord to say my lord to security guard. Everything my lord, some agency will take it. It's permissible under the law also. That my lord, they raise some bills which I said.
Let's see.
Please, my
Anyway,
lord.
let's see that.
My lord, their agency from 2021. Every time, my lord, there is some security guard were there in the position of the property. They raise a bill. In fact, I paid the bill and some publications, some advocate, so many writ petitions has been filed before this honorable court. Advocate fees and my lord, paper publication, multiple occasions we put the property for auction. We are not able to comply. The paper publication charges, etc. We have, my lord, every bill, my lord, we have mentioned. And finally, my lord, I given a figure, housing loan account, what is outstanding, so and so, and TDS amount to be complete details I furnished before this honorable court.
What is you want? You want them to produce all the bills for what they paid?
My lord, there was a direction by this honorable court, my lord, to pay the balance amount, my lord. Balance sale proceeds, my lord. For that, my lord, my sister goes and files she receives whatever is her part of share.
Don't go to that. Please stick to this bills. You're asking.
Please, my
You
lord.
want bills and this court asks them to be
My lord,
place the bills.
outstanding, my lord, was 18 lakhs, my lord. That is a OD account, my lord, 18 lakhs. And then there were housing loan account, my lord, 14 lakhs and 8 lakhs, my lord. Not the bills what they are producing is not 2020 onwards, not they are giving all the calculations
Property,
which are
when the property is in possession of the bank.
not 2016, not.
Then
naturally.
Then they have to protect the
I put
property
the
or not,
property
or
at
they will
least-
leave it like that.
Lord,
They have to engage, if you engage 2 security guards, one in the morning and one in the night, how much it will be? That's what they have shown. For that, what bills you want? They have given the bill number also. You can have that under the.
It is required, let him visit the bank, my lord, we'll provide all the bills also. It is possible. It is this
Yes.
much of bill.
I'll dispose it off, go to the bank, get all the bills. I'll ask them to produce. That's what you want ultimately now.
But there should be clarity, my lord, because if my outstanding is only 35 or 40,000, my lord, if they have spent more than 40,000, why did they retain the property, my lord? I have challenged the writ petition by way of.
You can't ask those
securitization.
questions.
My lord,
Why did they
they have, my lord, they have, my lord, advocates fees, my lord, I don't have a problem. The agency, my lord, have to come out with a proper proof, my lord, that how much they have charged and how much the bank has.
Go before them. I'll ask them to give you all that.
And the rate of interest, my lord, what they've,
That will not decide.
2.5, my lord, that is they
That's
have,
not for
they
the
would have, my
bank.
lord.
That
till
is not for this bank. Whatever is in vogue as per the, you show one piece of paper showing that this interest is bad. That's for you to prove before the court. If you say it is contrary to the RBI guidelines, then we will ask them.
2.75, my lord, that is what the
You
rate
tell
of.
me, you show the
Not the
paper.
memo of calculation which they have given, my lord.
Not memo of calculation, show the RBI guidelines saying that this should not be the interest. If RBI says so and so is the interest, and if they are charging contrary to that, then that's a question to be decided. But we cannot add.
Day after tomorrow, finally, my lord, I'll get the, please.
Yes.
Day after tomorrow, my lord, finally, my lord.
It's in fact, it is just, it's not going anywhere.
Lord, the rate of interest, my lord, I
Rate
am
of
the
interest I'll
borrower,
not
my lord.
decide.
To me,
This
my
is
lord, they
matter-
charge 14 to 15%, my
This
lord.
matter day
They are
after
giving me
tomorrow.
2%, my lord, 2.5%.
No further adjournments listed tomorrow, day after tomorrow.
Grateful.
Then
Yes,
number
okay.
15, Sampath Anand Shetty, petitioner, SK Acharya.
For the appellant, my lord, I request say 1 week time. I request for the 1 week time.
Why?
For the appellant. We are awaiting the notice for R1 and R3. There is no response.
R1 notice if necessary would have taken in 24. Karnataka Bank. No writ is maintainable against Karnataka Bank. Ask your senior to come tomorrow. Yes, next.
Previous matter, all the ideas are for posting and for clearing.
Let it be, it's coming up day after tomorrow. Yes.
Cell number 16,
For petitioner, my lord.
Srikanth M.
My lord, sale certificate has been challenged. Notice has been issued to the auction purchaser. It is awaited.
Let's see what is the.
No, my lord,
reason
senior
and
counsel has been
why
engaging
we
in
are
this
coming
matter.
before the court instead of going to the DRT. Why should we decide the sale certificate?
No, my lord, earlier there was an agriculture property.
To quash the sale certificate dated registered on 5/2/2024. Stored in the central document registry.
Yes.
On what ground?
My lord, next week, my lord, senior counsel has been engaged.
So this is matter on 6th of April, no further adjournment.
Obliged.
Till number 17, Mahadeva. Shetty.
Kindly place 1 week's time, Swami. My senior is not feeling well.
2025 matter, till now you don't comply with the office objections. No notice will be.
Yes.
HMT Limited, what is this HMT Limited?
The public sector, Swami.
I think it can be filed against anybody.
Yes.
Indian Overseas Bank, who appears? Take all the panel council's name. Yes, Mr. Vignesh Shetty, Indian Overseas Bank, who appear? Huh? Mr. Keshav Bhatt is directed to take notice on behalf of the respondent. Then council shall serve the notice on the council. I shall serve the papers on the council by today itself. This is matter on 7th of April, no further time.
Till number
Much obliged.
18,
And for the petitioner, my lord.
Yes.
Basanthoda Party.
My lord, in this, there is one office objection that the annexure N and annexure
Now let's see
S1.
who is the petitioner, who are the respondents.
Petitioner is Lisa Apparels. Petitioner is the respondent.
Lisa Apparels Private Limited.
Where the respondent.
Respondent is Hong Kong Shanghai Banking Corporation.
Please, madam. Please, madam. Yes, ma'am. The petitioner is the respondent before the DRT and we have filed
So go before the DRT.
My lord,
We can't entertain this writ petition.
my lord, 1 week's time may be given, my lord. We will convince the court as to why this court has jurisdiction.
It's a private, what is this Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Company Corporation?
Yes, HSBC Bank.
HSBC is not a bank.
It is, my lord. Banking corporation. Banking corporation, my lord.
You mean to say it's HSBC Bank?
HSBC Banking Corporation.
What is this? Its name is HSBC is Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation Limited. Is HSBC Bank.
There, I think, my lord, the original application pending for the DRT. That order, my lord, must be, my lord, bank filed a OA. That is, my lord, they are assailing before this one. Against the HSBC Bank.
Please,
Bank.
Bank. Please, ma'am.
This is matter. Who appears for them?
Yes.
1 minute.
My lord, one submission.
Huh?
Mahabaleshwar Bhatti, sir.
So and so is directed to take notice on behalf of the respondent bank. Then council shall serve the copy of the same on the council.
My lord, one submission regarding the office objection to documents. We have obtained certified copy from the.
I'm not on that office objection. Serve the papers on them and come back. Let's this matter on 7th of April. No further time.
Obliged, ma'am.
Obliged. For petitioner, my lord. Already is a PF paid by respond number 1, my lord.
What is that? Yes.
Yes.
Time to file.
Yes, Mr. Who appears to the bank?
Who appears to the bank?
For 3 weeks time.
For 3 weeks time.
Yes.
For 3 weeks time.
Yes. For 3 weeks time, my lord. Start objections.
File your objections.
File your objections.
Requires an end. Petitioner, he has availed a loan. In fact, respondent number 2 has availed a loan. Submission was made and import was made. Plus the paper and word. For that reason, they are taking. Lord, I am the.
That's why we give the matter, ask the senior to come, raise this matter on, day after tomorrow.
One tomorrow.
One different. My lord, interim matter may be extended.
My lord, I am challenging the order dated 31/1/2026, where the Honorable Tribunal had confirmed the sale, my lord, and state the issuance of sale certificate and upon the outcome of the essay, my lord. Here, my lord, the entire sale proceedings, what has been taken place is not correct, my lord, because they have undervaluedly sold, and I have made up application. My lord, I may make a submission, my lord. I had made an application before the Honorable Tribunal, but the Tribunal said that this is not an RTI department to seek the seek the directions as per your application. Now, my lord, until and unless I know what is the bid amount and sale consideration, how would I conduct the essay, my lord? Then?
Come to the order.
Yes,
Come to the order.
DRT order.
Page number. You don't have papers, Mr. Vignesh Shetty.
I have paper, my lord.
Where is the order?
My lord, 17/2026.
No, page number.
My lord, page number 145.
My lord, it says, counsel for both sides present. Sale notice issued by the respondent bank is under the challenge by applicant. Objections.
145.
I'll just point out what had happened, my lord.
Let me look at the order.
Please, my lord.
Where is the page
Essay
number?
331 of 2025 filed by petitioner. Counsel for the applicant present. Counsel for the
I'm
entered
not able
appeal.
to find the order first, that to please tell.
145, my lord.
145.
There are 3 page numbers.
I don't know, my lord. In fact,
We don't
in
know
my
what is the
petition,
number.
in my petition, it's 145. My lord, I just point out.
On the same page, there is 190, 93, 160.
I have only one page, my lord, here in.
Court special privilege, that's why three numbers in each page. No, there is some 145 is this.
Not that.
There is another 78.
My lord, last but not the.
How come they have numbered this like this? With each page is
My lord,
having
may
3
refer my
numbers.
petition, my lord, which is out.
147, 182, 184. This is how the numbers are.
My lord, at the last, my lord.
Give it to her. Let her open and show the court where is the order.
My lord, may make one submission. Sale SL before the DRT, my outstanding around 6.5 crore. One of the small property which I am able to sell it, we brought to the knowledge of the DRT. They made a submission saying that I am ready to pay entire money. Based on their submission, my lord, DRT granted an interim order. You know. And in fact, my lord, we filed a statement of objection also.
It's 215.
215 is not there in my petition at all. I have hardly.
Please read that order.
145
for the
was-
applicant presented, 25/9/2025.
Please, my lord. Counsel for the applicant present. Counsel entered appearance of KV respondent bank. Applicant is challenging the sale notice fixing the sale of the property on 26/9/2025. Applicant content there is a proposal for selling some other property belongs to the applicant is in process, and the applicant will be able to pay the liability in 2 months.
Yes.
Counsel for the entered appearance for the respondent bank submits that earlier applicant filed essay number so and so, which is an interim order was granted. The condition and the said condition was not complied by the applicant. However, taking note the limited prayer of the applicant to salvage the property by paying portion of the liability, the following order is passed. Confirmation of the sale, if any sale held pursuant to the impugnated sale notice, will stand deferred till next posting on the condition of the applicant remitting sum of rupees 15 lakh with respondent on or before schedule on 26/9/2025. Failure in compliance of the above
Where is
condition.
that? Where is your submission saying that it is not a?
No, subsequent one more order is there. I think, my lord, my friend is relying that. However, it's not served upon me. I'll just point out, my lord.
Which one, sir?
That
Which
subsequent-
order you are
Subsequent-
questioning?
Yes, my lord, that order is.
The order, where are all that you are saying you are submitting before the court? Where the DRT said so and so.
On 26/9/2025.
My lord, that was not recorded, my lord. When I had asked for
No,
the,
court can only understand from the order. Court can't understand from your submissions.
my lord, when I submitted an application, my lord, the court said.
You have to invite an order. Without inviting an order, looking at this order, if this court considers your submission and passes an order.
Lord, at least a specific direction may be issued, my lord.
Why should we grant?
My lord, because how would I conduct the essay there,
Lord,
my lord?
DRT may
Until and
not
unless,
made any mistake.
You have to make submissions legally.
my lord, kindly, the matter may kindly be passed over. I will make submissions, my lord. Kindly
This is
pass.
matter tomorrow.
Then number 21. Jay Kumar, for petitioner.
My lord, this is from last week, the batch of matters, my lord, with regard to tripartite agreements between
I'm led
builders.
by senior counsel, my lord. May I please request a passover? He's on his legs in an.
Today it's not possible. I have a full bench now in the
A
afternoon.
short passover. It was posted today. In fact, the last order reads that I'm led by senior counsel, which is why it was posted today for clarification.
If it's not inconvenient, can it be next Monday, my lord, on 23rd?
If he comes, I will let him come because there's no time also to
I
hear
bow
for the
down, I bow
court.
down,
We'll have it tomorrow. I have no time today.
I bow down.
Yes, tomorrow,
No, tomorrow I have a small.
day after. Yes, next.
Cell number 22. Gopal Krishnamurthy C.
Please. This matter for the petitioner.
Previous matter, interim order.
Interim order only granted is extended. 22.
Please, office objection raised matter the why we have
Please come
not.
to the order. What is the order? What is the prayer you are seeking?
The prayer is, my lord, we wanted to property to.
Questioning the impugned
take
order
the
passed by the senior civil. You are questioning the section 14 order.
Section
On what
14.
ground?
On the ground that, my lord, there is only 56 days. Time was 50, within 56 days itself, my lord, within not 60 days, even they have not provided the time to, my lord, for the action of that
You
property.
know, your, the procedure, the order under section 14 has to go before the DRT.
Please, with that liberty, my lord, it may be disposed.
That liberty you have right from the beginning.
Otherwise,
You
no,
have to
section
come
14
here
of the
and,
Limitation Act,
to all the proceedings for the present writ petition is filed, seeks the following prayer. The petition is questioning the proceedings initiated under section 14 of the order that's passed for the magistrate under section 14 of the Surface Act. The remedy available to the petition is to go before the DRT, but not before this court. Accordingly, the petition is disposed of, giving liberty to the petitioner to avail the appropriate remedy. Yes, ma'am.
Section 14 benefit mechanism.
You have filed it just now. It's a 26 matter. When did you file?
Not the, on 16 February, if I got it, that is the reason.
The petitioner. This petition is filed on 16th
February 2026.
16th February 2026. Petitioner shall have the benefit of section 14 of the Limitation Act. Yes, 23.
Please, great.
23. 23.
Madam, for the petitioner, my lord. My lord, this is challenging the possession notice on the ground that the two conditions, neither was my account ever declared NPA.
Respondent writ is not maintainable against this respondent. So the writ is filed against.
My lord, this was submission, it was never declared NPA, nor was a demand
Go to
notice.
the DRT.
My
The
lord,
person who is affected.
statutory, my lord, like, my lord, randomly after 7 years, my lord,
Give
no.
him that judgment. This is matter tomorrow. So please go through the judgment.
My lord, you may have.
It is not maintainable. That's what I'm saying. Not on the ground that there is an alternative remedy. Writ against this respondent is not maintainable.
You may have it tomorrow, my lord, I just read the judgment.
Tomorrow, that's what I'm saying. Take the judgment.
Cell number.
That Vishwabharati judgment you give. Yes. Next.
Hearing on interrupted application, cell number 24.
Yes.
What is Jagdish?
Appearing for the appellant, my lord. This IF of 1 of 24 is for discharge application, my lord. With regard to the
Where is
application.
that, where is the certificate to show that he has become major? Where is that IA?
My lord, I'll file it, my lord.
Case of injury.
Yes, ma'am.
It's a case of injury.
Yes, ma'am.
Case of injury. Claim petition
IA
is
1 of 24 is filed. Discharge the guardian and permit the petitioner to proceed with the appeal. At the time of filing of the appeal, petitioner is a minor. And now he has attained majority. Hence, the present IA is filed accordingly. The petitioner is permitted to proceed with the appeal. And accordingly, the guardian is discharged. The petitioner shall amend the cost title. Yes. What is this non-filing of application for substituted service?
My lord, I'll file it during the course of the day, my lord. I'll file it
The
during the course
other
of the
office objection shall be complied with. Not office objection. Application for substituted service shall be filed
during the course of the day.
during the course of the day.
Number 25, Elias Patel. 25.
I appear for the petitioner. My lord, the counsel who was directed,
Respondent, my lord. So, notice not served, my lord.
I had mailed it to the address. I will serve it again, my lord.
Then counsel for the petitions of the counsel for the respondent. This is matter on 2nd of April.
Much of that.
Yes, next.
Till number 26. R. Shashidhara.
petitioner in this case, my lords. My lords, as per the interim order dated, my lord, 16th December 2024, I have deposited 20%, my lord, out of the outstanding. As my submission is before this honorable court is, my lord, I may be permitted to deposit the remaining, reimburse the entire loan amount, my lord, within 3 months. Let them not take any precipitated action till the 3 months, my lord.
What is that?
Plus, I am ready to pay the entire.
How much is outstanding?
Total 94 lakhs, my lords.
How much you
Out of
paid
which
as of now?
20% I am paid, my lords. The balance, my lord, I will pay, plus within 3 months.
File the undertaking of it.
Please, ma'am.
What is outstanding? As on today?
As on today, as per this thing, 1 crore 35 lakhs 56,000. I'll give the.
As on
bank
today, as
statement.
per the, my lord,
Land counsel appearing for the respondent bank submits that as on today, the outstanding is 1 crore
35 lakhs 56,000.
35 lakhs 56,000.
56,000.
56,000. Land counsel for the petition submits that as per the order passed by this court. He has deposited 20% of the, how much was the amount?
94 lakhs, my lords, as per section
No, no.
13(2).
What was that amount? So that we'll record it.
Please.
Yes, as per the interim order, he has paid the amount. It is submitted that if 3 months' time is given, the entire amount will be paid. Land counsel for the petitioner shall come up with an undertaking affidavit by the next date of hearing. List this matter on 7th of April.
Till number 27.
3 months, 3 months time, my lords. It may
3
be-
months' time, that's what I said. 7th of April.
Interim order may kindly be extended.
Interim order only granted is extended. Next.
27.
For the respondent, my lord. Kindly password, my lord.
Prakash Nagaraj.
No password today.
Kindly, my
Lordship.
lord. Senior
This is
please held up with the please.
It's a matter why, lordship, they filed a vacating, your lordship. Interim order has been granted, your lordship.
Interim order earlier granted is extended. This is matter on 8th of April.
Much
This
of this.
next.
Till
Ma'am,
number
urgency,
28.
ma'am. Kindly list on tomorrow, ma'am.
Not possible. Yes, 28.
Till number 28.
Same matter, your lordship.
Same matter. Yes.
Till number 29.
For the respondent, my lord.
party in person.
I am from GPA of the party in person. My Maitri Satpathy, I am his father and GPA.
Can somebody else appear?
Sir, I
You can't
already,
appear.
sir, I have already appeared in the initial.
But Form C is not yet issued to you.
The Form C, I have, at that time also I have told, Form C they don't issue to, they issue only to the party in persons. And they, by this, I have given a memo by Rule 10 of the PIP, that the court has got the power to allow the other than the parties, other than the.
You are appearing before the trial court also.
I have that court also.
You are appearing as a party and arguing the matter.
Sir. Yes, madam.
Yes.
As a condition is this, there is about 12 lakhs outstanding against them, and my daughter is suffering from neurological as well as psychological diseases, and his 400 grams gold is with them. About 50 lakhs they have got with them. They are not paying us, and this case was made. It's further case, but this case was made with independent. There is no.
I'll hear it tomorrow.
My lord, my small submission, my lord. My lord, this is a case where they have challenged the section 14 order, my lord. And in fact, my lord, the respondent number 2, who is the husband of the petitioner, has already closed the loan. Hence, the surface proceedings has already been seized, my lord. Hence, this writ petition has become infectious, my lord.
But they have not intimated. We are in the pressure because.
How they say, I'll record it saying that no proceedings are pending against you. Loan account is closed. Then what remains in the writ petition?
I have paid 2 lakhs at the last 25 to 2 lakhs in the name of director.
You please come up with a memo. Come up with a memo. When and how the proceedings are closed. According to him, even in the month of February, you have taken the money. What is it? Find out. This is matter on 8th of April.
Number 30. Murali for petitioner. Murali
Appearing for the petitioner, my lord, challenging the sale certificate, my lord. On this ground, my lord, the matter was agreed for OTS, my lord, of 120 lakhs, 1 crore 20 lakhs.
Yes.
My lord, I have paid 80 lakhs to the bank, admittedly, my lord, and they have auctioned the property for 85 lakhs, my lord. I'm ready to.
Go to the DRT.
My lord, I'm ready to deposit the remaining 40 lakhs before your lordships. Lord, there's no difficulty.
No, do it before the
Lord,
DRT.
I shall do that, my lord. My lord, I approached the DRT on previous occasion, my lord, challenging the sale notice, not the sale certificate. DRT, my lord, has dismissed my application on the ground of limitation. If my lords could save me from the limitation, my lord, I could somehow save my property, my lord. Dehouse the limitation, my lord.
When you have a remedy, you have to go.
If my lords could express that, my lord.
No, I'll not express. Why would I? Why would I say?
Lord,
But the DRT is bound by the.
My lords may kindly appreciate, my lord.
No, I've already passed a judgment that.
My lord, on the same date on the auction.
Applies to the DRT. Why would this court say that it will not? I can understand you're prosecuting the matter here. In those cases, we are saying that you will have the benefit of section 14, not
Please.
otherwise.
Please, my lord, for this reason, my lord, I had filed a writ petition before this honorable court on the previous occasion also. My lord, I had the benefit of an interim order. My lord, despite that, my lord, the property was auctioned and my lord, the sale certificate is issued. On the same date, my lord, they have auctioned the property for 85 lakhs. I paid 80 lakhs. Lordships, I kindly appreciate. I paid 80 lakhs. I am ready to pay the remaining 40 lakhs also, my lord. Before lordships. Lordships have fixed it.
Then what will happen?
Lord, I am challenging the sale certificate only, Lord. I'll approach the DRT, Lord. If my lords could express that, dehouse the limitation, Lord. That will be, Lord, having.
When was the sale certificate issued?
Lord, it was issued on, Lord, I was 3/2/2025.
Limitation. When will the limitation?
Lord, the Supreme Court in Bafna judgment says from the date of issuance of the under the demand notice, Lord, from.
How can anybody question sale certificate from the date of demand notice?
Because my lord, there was an interim order passed by this honorable court on 2 occasions. That's my lord, how it's been disposed of. I'm only requesting your lordship, Lord. I'm ready to deposit 40 lakhs before your lordships. My lords could say.
The court can only do something which is legally permissible. High Court,
Lord,
Surface Act.
Kindly appreciate the conduct of the banks, Lord. For a minute, Lord. Same day, Lord, they agree for 120 lakhs. I deposit 80 lakhs. If they sell the property which is worth more than 1.75 crore.
Whatever the bank has done, no, yes, Mr. Suresh, What is that? Even a sales certificate, the limitation will start from 13/4. How can it be?
That's what the Bafna judgment says, my
No,
lord.
no, no, no,
Subject to
that
correction,
can't
my
be.
lord.
That
I
is
mean,
not-
I stand corrected.
40, whatever it is, that 45 days limitation for this also.
My lord, it's
45 days, your 3/2, that is 3/3, that is 30 days, another 15 days. You are
April
getting-
or May.
And now whatever the time you have spent before this court.
And
I'll
also, my
say
lord, I had filed an application before section 17 before the OA in
two-
DRT. my lord.
Forget about that. This from 2
Lord,
to
I was not aware, my lord, because Lord, sales certificate, my lord, it's not mandatory for the banks to register the sales certificate. Lord, how could I be aware of that, my lord, the proceedings, when it's not a registered document? I was only, it was brought to my knowledge when I filed an OA before the DRT.
Please submit something which.
Lord, I filed an OA. Lordship may kindly come.
Where it is, if you go file a OA, go there.
Lord, I'll file an OA, my lord. There's no difficulty. I'll file an OA. Lordship may say my limitation, Lord, for this limited purpose. Lord, I'm showing my bona fides. I'll deposit 40 lakhs. That will be subject to outcome of the OA proceedings.
Sales certificate dated 3/2/2025.
Please,
What
please,
is
my lord.
this?
Lord, after that, my lord, I was not aware of the sales certificate. After that, my lord, I filed an OA before the DRT. Then, my lord, it was brought to my knowledge on filing the objection, my
You are
lord.
confusing the court, nothing else. No.
Lordship may kindly
you
come
say
for a
that-
minute, my lord, for a minute. Kindly come to page number 131. I'm sorry, my
Where do
lord.
you get the sales certificate?
In the OA, my lord. I filed an OA.
Then why did you come here?
Lord, I challenged the sale notice before the OA. I didn't challenge the sale
When was the
certificate.
sale? When was the sale notice?
Lord, sale notice, my lord, is demand notice, my lord, is 12/3/2024.
Not demand notice, sale notice, there will be
Please,
lot
please,
of time
please.
between demand notice and
Lord,
sale notice.
sale notice was dated 26/11/2024.
When did you file the OA?
Lord, I filed the OA, my lord, on 2025 because I had the benefit of an interim order before this honorable court in the previous 2 rounds of writ petitions. I filed the OA.
Pursuant to the said sale, this sale has happened.
Please, my lord. Pursuant to the disposal of the writ petitions, my lord.
That is already questioned, that is pending.
Lord, I have not questioned the sale certificate. I have not questioned. Lord, I challenge section 14.
It's a consequential one.
It's consequential, Lord. I may be permitted to challenge this, Lord. I'm only requesting.
In accordance with law.
If my lords could kindly say my limitation.
I'll not say.
All that I'm seeking, Lord.
Listen, now, even today, you are, as per the limitation, you are within time.
If my lords could express that.
I will
Lord.
not express. Why is that exercise this court?
For
to be
this
done?
reason, my lord.
I'll not do anything.
Lord, for this reason. I'm showing my bona fides. My lord, I've already showed my bona fide.
Your bona fides would have been much better if you have
Lord, I have deposited it on the same day. It's on documents, my lord. Lord, I have deposited 80 lakhs. They have sold the property for 85 lakhs. And the property worth is, my lord,
How
1
many
crore
times
75
you
lakhs.
repeat, my answer is the same and my order would be the same. So, please understand. I will not clarify anything. I'll say you are at liberty to already have questioned the sale notice. The DRT has to adjudicate it.
I will. There's no difficulty, my lord, approaching the DRT. If my lords could say section 14, my lord, that be sufficient, my lord. Section 14. I leave to your lordship, my lord. I will not submit anything.
That already I will say that section 14.
Please, my lord.
From 2 it will apply. And
Please.
for in every case, I'm saying that the benefit of section 14
Please.
shall be
Please,
given to
please,
you. The present writ petition is filed, seeking the following prayer. The petition has questioned the sale certificate, date 3/2/2025. It is stated that they have already questioned the sale notice that is issued by the bank, and the same is pending consideration.
That's disposed, my lord. That's disposed on the question of limitation.
That is disposed it is submitted that the same is disposed on the ground of limitation. When the petition is agreed with any of the action taken by the bank, and particularly issuing a sales certificate, its remedy is not before this court and it is before the DRT. Hence, the writ petition is disposed of, giving liberty to the petitioner to avail the appropriate remedy. However, petitioner shall have the benefit under section 14 of the Limitation Act.
Great.
Cell number 31. Cell number 31.
Hearing for the respondent bank, my lord, in this case, they have filed an affidavit, but it's a blank, it's very threadbare in the sense that they've only said that they're going to pay within 30th September 2026. Lord, in fact, the entire outstanding dues, my lord, right, as on now is 1 crore 62 lakhs.
1 crore?
1 crore 62 lakhs 54,640. Lord, they had enjoyed a stay from 3/3/2025 till 22/2/2026. In that, they have paid before DRT, my lord, where possession notice was challenged. In that, no doubt, they have paid 25%, which amounts to 47 lakhs. Calculating all that, now it is 1 crore 62 lakhs, my lord. So, my lord, all
What is that memo, affidavit?
they have-
But here I
they
say,
have filed an affidavit.
I
last-
hereby
That
undertake,
affidavit?
yes, para 7, Lord. I hereby undertake to pay the entire balance amount to be payable by me to the respondent bank along with interest accrued thereon on or before 30th September. Para 7.
Unless there is some amount coming, I mean, first of all, 6-7 months. my
I
lord.
hereby undertake to pay the entire balance amount on or before 30th September 2026. It's good for you that you pay it in some, like 2 or 3 times instead of paying it at a time in September. You could have said something like some amount in June,
About
some
25%
amount in
yes.
August.
All right.
Let them provide that affidavit, my lord.
That's what.
Some, lord, also 6-7 months, my lord. Because let it be at least 4 to 5 months, my lord. Let it be split, and that I
He
can
has to
actually take
arrange
it back to
this.
I mean,
the.
that is what I was telling to your colleague. A matter which was pending from 2022, somebody
Yes.
has filed an affidavit, they'll pay it within 6 months. He was feeling very bad about it, like saying that let it be 2 months, 3 months. I said, I'll adjourn this matter, it'll come in 29 or 30, then the bank will be happy about it.
Lord, this is
So,
7. Yes.
please understand, when the litigation is coming to an end, and when they're ready to pay, please accept it. Otherwise, it will go forever from here to this court to, now at least they will lose an opportunity to come before this court again with this affidavit. And anyhow, the moment wherever you have left, right from the first installment, you again go back to that position.
Lord, I'm just asking for at least one more, maybe August, my lord. September is 7 months. August, and if they come up
Lord,
with that split, let them
By
file an affidavit.
end of May, I'll deposit 25%, and by September end, it's a balance amount.
No. What you do is, now they have specifically said what is that amount.
Will-
In the
will-
affidavit should contain what is that 25% of the amount and what is the remaining amount. Accordingly, you file, I'll
If,
pass on.
Let them serve a copy before
Oh,
so that I
yes.
can take
If
instructions.
bank could share the statement.
Yes, my
Loan
lord.
statement.
Yes,
Yes,
my
give
lord.
that.
That we
give
will
it to
keep
him.
that as a basis.
The senior counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that the petitioner has filed an affidavit stating that he'll pay the entire outstanding amount by September.
Yes, my lord.
What is the date? They have given any date?
30th.
30th, my lord.
30th of September, Land Council appearing for the respondent bank submits that the petitioner should pay the amount by in equal installments by August.
Yes, my lord.
By August. It is submitted that as on today, the outstanding amount is 1 crore
1 crore
62 lakhs 54,000. Is it?
640
640.
plus expenses, my lord. This is
Plus
excluded
expen-
plus
plus
expenses.
The petitioner shall file an affidavit before this court. What is the amount he is going to pay by no, it is submitted by the senior counsel that they'll pay 20% of the amount by May, end of May, that is by 30th of May, and the remaining amount by September. In this regard, they shall file an affidavit.
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
this matter on?
Monday, not next Monday or Tuesday?
On the Monday?
Tuesday,
Yes,
24th.
23rd. This is matter on 23rd, and the affidavit shall be served on the council for the respondent in advance.
My lord, if they can actually make at least, May is almost for 4 months, my lord. Every month some payment, then I can seek instructions, my lord.
Everything will
Because
come, Lord. Everything
It
will
will be
come
about
within that
20,
time.
if it's 6 months, around 25 lakhs per month.
No, if your bank is, whoever is objecting for it, ask him to come to the court.
No, that's
See
not a
what
problem. I
happens if
take
they don't
instructions.
accept the affidavit.
I'll let them file an affidavit. I'll
Yes,
take
they'll
instructions.
give you in advance, you get the instruction.
Let it be on 24th.
24th, yes, 24th,
Please.
Tuesday.
Oblige.
Channel number 32, Manisha Kongavi.
Yes.
The matter pertains, the petitioners are residents association as well as certain residents who are occupying top floors in this building. The building was completed in June of 2015. Occupancy certificate is granted in our favor in June of 2015. At the
What is the
time,
notice issued by the?
notice issued, my lords, is.
Who issued BBMP?
No, by respondent number 1, which is the director of the flying training school at Jakkur Aerodrome, saying that you are crossing the height limit that is permissible and you have not taken NOC from us. The notification on which they are relying came in September 2015. My building
No,
was
when your
completed.
building was constructed?
OC is 16/6/2015.
16/6/2015.
Please,
They are relying on a circular of which year?
Of 2015, but of September.
Hmm.
September 2000, 30th of September
Oh, where is
2000.
the question of NOC after the permission?
And we have taken NOC from Airports Authority of India under the previous circular.
Who appears to the Airports Authority?
Airport Authority is not disputing, my lords. Today, Airports Authority has issued a notification, so we've made them a party. Now, what has happened, my lords, the notice issued in 2022. From 2015, absolutely no objection, we're in peaceful possession. 2022, I get Annexure A
No,
impugned
this,
notice.
who independently will represent this government flying, central government will represent this first 1 and 2.
I would presume so, my lords. They, please, my lords. It should be a central government.
In the name of Mr.
My lords, if I may submit, my lords.
ASG's name?
My lords,
In the
that,
name of Mr. Shanti
if I
Bhushan.
make just a submission, my lords, there is a connected petition,
Yes.
10687.
1 minute. In the name of Mr. Shanti Bhushan for respondents 1 and 2. Respondent number 3, who appears for the commissioner? BBMP? Huh? So and so, in the name of so and so for respondent number 3, list along with so and so on 8th of April. Then counsel for the petitions or the copy of the writ petition on the counsel for the respondents.
Number 30.
My lords, if I may make a submission, my lords, in writ petition 10687, the original landowner of this building, we are now, the apartment is complete, we are owners of the apartments.
Then give that number also.
Please, my lords, in that, my lords, status quo has been granted. May I submit?
How can I, without the writ petition being before the court, how can we grant that order?
If
It
it may
will
be
come, when it comes, it will be given.
Then, my lords, my only worry is they may not take action. Anyway, there's a status quo in the other matter.
Yes.
That is,
Yes, next.
may be tagged with that writ
Yes,
petition.
yes.
34, 33, still number 33, N. Nagaraja.
I thought for petitioner, Your Lordship. Petitioner is challenging the final order passed by the DIT. Passed on 28th June 2024, Your Lordship.
Petitioner is questioning
Challenging the annexure C, Your Lordship.
debt recovery tribunal. What is this order?
It is final order, Your Lordship. OA 9/17/2020. Petitioner is the minor. His father is raised the loan on behalf of him. As
And
a
without
third-
any notice, you are very comfortable from 24. Just like that, to show that there is a case pending on the file of the High Court. Nothing else.
No,
No notice. You have not made any efforts to get this matter listed. Yes, Canara Bank, who appears?
That is Divya Purandar, Vignesh Shetty.
Where is she? Divya Purandar is directed to take notice on behalf of the respondent bank. Then counsel for the petition, so the copy of the writ petition on the council. List this matter on 6th April.
Still number
Yes,
34. 34. Timegowda N.
I'm challenging the annexure T, my lords. Possession notice issued by the respondent number 1.
Canara Bank, who appears?
That's it. Vignesh Shetty is Divya
Where is
Purandar.
Mr. Vignesh Shetty? You appear for the Canara Bank? So and so is directed to take notice on behalf of the responding bank. Then council says the copy of the writ petition on the council, serve on him. This also on, this on 7th April.
Much obliged.
Yes, 35.
Still number 35, Devendra Gowda.
My ladyship, kindly adjourn this matter, short accommodation.
Hinduja Leyland Finance.
My senior would argue on this matter.
My lord, kindly look into the prayer of the petition, my lord.
When will your senior come?
Ladyship, 18th, 18th.
My lord.
List on.
Kindly look into the prayer because
You, we have to give them an opportunity to argue. That day you can say.
on the last occasion, they did not appear.
Then you will give him an opportunity. List on 18th. Just of one counts for the petitioner. Yes, Nick.
Still number 36, 36 urgent, still number 37. Still number 37.
Your Ladyship, we have been just served with the hard copy of the objections today.
I may omit it.
Just now.
Have you served a copy on them?
No, I have served.
You have
Just
any-
today they have served. 20 minutes back, they have served us the copy of their
Yes.
objections.
Then
We want to
counsel
file.
respondent has filed his objection.
They've
Take
just
it.
given us a copy, ma'am.
The Lissus matter on 9th of April.
A request
If
for a
petition
short,
has any rejoinder to the same shall be filed.
may make any shorter date, my lords. Any shorter date, my lords, because
What
13th,
is all in the month, entire April, March you have holidays. And April only first week is, I've already started giving so many.
the stay has been granted. We have with.
Can I have 14th or 15th? So if I can come physically, I'll try. Instead of
Yes.
9th, 14th or
15th.
15th.
Yes.
Till number 38.
15th of April, ma'am.
Interim order, your ladyship may.
Interim order only granted is extended. 38.
38 KV Lokesh.
Lord, this is a petition seeking direction to the magistrate to dispose of the petition which was filed in the month of September 2025 under section 14, my lord. There was certain clarification, sought clarification was provided. Past 1.5 months, it is being posted to pass orders.
No, you just tell me one logic. When a writ petition is not maintainable against Mrs. Aditya Birla Capital
Please, my lord.
Limited, how can Aditya Birla come before the court?
Lord, here the difficulties are either we have to make the magistrate as a party. Instead of making the magistrate party,
Magistrate as
we are
a
not
party.
doing that. That is all.
No, if even then
They cannot come before this court. Because these are all section 14 proceedings. There is no requirement for issue notice to the respondent also. But the difficulty is that past 6 months, there is no progress in the matter. My lord. Ideally, it
what
should
is
have.
happening? Why for every writ petition there has to be an order?
Please see, my
I've
lord.
seen them,
Was posted for orders.
more than the petitions by the third parties, the financial institutions are filing. Which area, which court is this?
Third additional magistrate, my lord.
Huh?
Third additional magistrate.
Please come.
Mysore.
The present writ petition is filed.
Third additional senior civil judge at
Seeking a
Mysore.
direction to the third additional senior civil judge and CJ Mysore to expedite hearing and pass orders in criminal miscellaneous 386 of 2025. It is submitted that the criminal miscellaneous is filed on which date?
12/9/2025, my lord. 12/9/2025.
Within what time they have to pass orders?
Ideally, 60 days, my lord.
Huh?
60 days.
It is submitted that it's pending from, where is the 6 months?
September.
10, 11, 12. It is submitted that is pending from the last
How they? Okay.
6 months. Why the matter is pending from the last 6 months? The registrar judiciary is directed to call for a report from the magistrate. This is matter on 1st of April.
Obliged.
39. Mahesh Kiran Shetty.
For the petitioner in this matter.
Nice, Swami.
This matter pertains to my lord, taking of physical possession. Lord, earlier there were series of writ petitions that are filed.
Please come to the prayer. What is the prayer?
Lord, in the prayer, my lord, I have sought for quashing of the 13-4 notice as well as the sale notice. And also, my lord, I have sought for a request to restore my possession. My lord, why I have filed this writ petition? This again one more writ petition during the pendency of another writ petition is. If my lords could kindly come to my lord.
No, 13-4 is questioned. 13-4 is the step from where you will go to the DRT. Why are you coming here?
That's the reason, my lord. The various previous orders passed by this honorable court.
That's a problem.
For that,
First of all, let me make it very clear. Passing of earlier orders by this court cannot be another ground for coming to
no,
this
the
court.
reason is this, my lord. I'll point out it with the great respect, my lord.
First
Your
of all,
lordships.
we'll stop this practice of coming to the High Court when separate tribunals are constituted. Before going into any other thing, you are saying that 13-4 and so, other measures are bad. Why only the High Court should hear your petition and decide, and why the DRT cannot decide your matter is the first, the query of the court which has to be satisfied.
Please, ma'am. If my lords could kindly see the matter which is pending before this honorable court, a writ petition, an interim order was granted. My lord, I complied all the interim orders except wherein my lord I defaulted when my lord the petitioner suffered a heart attack and he was admitted in the hospital. Even in the hospital, my lord, lying in the hospital, he arranged for 50 lakhs. I was directed to deposit balance 50 lakhs interim order was vacated. And thereafter, immediately next day, my lord, without issuing notice, they take physical possession of one of the property. Now, my lord, with regard to that 50 lakhs, my lord, I have arranged today, I have come with the DD. I'm ready to pay it to the bank. But here is a situation, my lord, wherein various other earlier orders as well as their own undertaking has been violated. And during the subsistence of interim order, my lord, various actions have been taken against the petitioner.
That's what, you want all these actions to be.
Because
set
that
aside.
cannot be decided in DRT, my lord, with regard to violations of the orders of this honorable court.
This court also
And,
will not decide. If there is any violation of the order, you will file a contempt.
my lord, that I can file. But here, what
No,
has
so
happened
the
is,
DRT
may,
can definitely-
may I request one submission?
No, DRT can definitely take note of the
That is true,
violation
my
of
lord.
the
Here
High
is
Court
one
order.
situation wherein interim order granted by this honorable court was vacated only for the reason that, my lord, I failed to deposit 50 lakhs during one installment. Now that 50 lakhs also, my lord, today I have brought the DD. My possession may be restored for that reason, but not otherwise.
I'll not go into any of these aspects. Tribunals are constituted for this purpose. Let us stop this stopgap arrangement between the High Court and the, between the borrower and the tribunal. Stopgap is the High Court.
My lord, that's the
That we will
reason.
not- we will
My
not
my
allow
lords may
that.
kindly, for a moment, your lordships may kindly, the very.
I am uniformly follow, only thing on only one criteria this court will interfere, that this particular issue is a question of law,
Yes,
which
my lord,
cannot
yeah.
be decided by the,
Yes, I'll point out, my lord. Your lordships may kindly,
which
for a moment.
cannot be decided by the DRT.
My lord, I'll
Not
come to
that
that.
every question of law, not that the DRT are not competent to decide. For example, the Limitation Act and all your question is a question of law which this court will decide, but not other things.
I'll point out, my lord. Your lordships may kindly bear with me, because if there is any time constraint, I'll argue on Monday or tomorrow.
No,
my
you
lord.
argue.
Please, my
You know,
lord.
because today or Monday, it's going to be the same result.
Yes, I can
Yes.
understand, my lord. Here, the very, my lord, the issuance of notice is bad in law for these simple reasons. May I request your lordships to kindly take to page, my lord,
No,
40.
that's not that is
Please,
not.
please, I'll point out, my lord. The reason is this. Page 46 may kindly be looked into for a moment. Annexure E, page 46. For a your lordships may kindly bear with me for
Counsel-
5
no,
minutes.
not bearing it, please understand, because
Please.
it's of no consequence bearing with you.
My lord, I'll point.
Please understand. No, 13-2 notice is bad, 13-4 notice is, everything is bad.
My lord, this
Even if
orders passed by this honorable court, my lord, there is an undertaking by the bank. For that reason, my lord, I am pointing out. Otherwise, my lord, I would be the last person to approach this honorable court. I'll avail my alternative remedy and come back to this honorable court. My lord,
Even in
the
the earlier
conduct of the
occasion,
bank
even-
and the violations of the orders of this honorable court, that too, my lord, I would like to point out.
If there are violations, it's left to you to file appropriate petition for violation
My lord,
of the orders.
I'll come to that, my lord. That is a remedy which is always available. I'll avail that. But here is a situation wherein, my lord, without issuance of a minimum 7 days notice, my lord, they have taken physical possession of the property immediately when the interim order is vacated. Now, my lord, the issue is this. I defaulted in one payment. My lord, very next, immediately after vacation of the interim order, they take physical possession of the property. Now, in compliance of that order itself, my lord, I have brought 50 lakhs DD. Before today itself, I have brought the DD. Let the bank accept it and restore my possession. With regard to the challenge to
When
this,
was the order passed by the court?
your lordships may kindly, for a moment, my lord, just before the change in roster, your lordship, 27/2/2026, my lord, the interim order was vacated since I could not deposit 50
What
lakhs.
happened to that writ petition?
That is pending. I have mentioned in my writ petition because,
Why are you filing another writ
my
petition?
lord, in that writ, because there is a subsequent action which has taken.
Along with so and so? Take the writ petition number, list along with so and so tomorrow.
Please.
Petition, yes.
For petition, my lord. Lord, this is a mercy petition, my lord. As per the sale notice, which is at annexure D, your lordship may kindly see page number 38 at page number 40, my lord. For a moment. As per the sale notice, my lord, 48,55,000 is the due amount, my lord. I will clear this entire amount if given 4 months time, my lord. On Wednesday, I will pay 10
Come
lakhs,
up
my
with an
lord.
affidavit.
But
Then
the
come.
property is already sold. 25% of the sale concern is deposited by the auction purchaser, and the balance is to be paid today. But lordship may kindly
Lordship may
see.
kindly- for a moment, my lord. For a moment, my lord.
Past,
Once the auction notice is issued, no, by the clearing and by your right rights for redemption of the mortgage, you will lose.
For a
In the
moment,
light-
my lord.
Please understand, in the light of the settled law, unless and until you point out what are the irregularities. To pointing out the irregularities, you have to go before the tribunal. If it is a case where auction notice is not issued, auction is not held, if you say that you are ready to pay the amount.
Or sale certificate is not yet issued, my lord.
Not necessary. Or issuance of auction notice itself is sufficient. From that day, you stand in the same position till the sale certificate is issued,
But
whatever.
I'll
it is.
clear the entire amount, my lord.
You
In 3 months, my lord, not even 4 months, my lord, in 3 months, my lord.
You have to understand in the light of the settled law and in the light of the judgments filed with, judgments with Honorable Apex Court, this court can't do that. If this court is passing any orders, it is contrary to law.
Lord, 1.5 crores property, my lord, only for 53 lakhs, they are saying it is sold, my lord.
Question it before the DRT, whatever the wrong they have done. We can't consider this writ petition.
And my lord, only on 11th, my lord, when I was attending my funeral of my uncle, my lord.
Land Council submits that the entire amount is ready to pay within 4 months if the time is granted. Land Council appearing for the respondent bank submits that auction was conducted, 25% of the amount is paid. Now the petitioner is going, the auction purchaser is going to deposit the amount today. It is a submission of the Land Council for the petitioner that as the sale certificate is not issued, he may be permitted to deposit the amount. In the Honorable Apex Court, in so and so, in the judge, in case of so and so has held that the moment the auction notice is issued as per section, in the light of the amendment to section 13(8). 13(8).
Right of redemption from date of publication of the notice.
That's what I'm saying. In the light of the amendment to section 13(8) of the.
13(8).
13(8) of the Surface Act, the petitioner will lose the right of the borrower will lose the root of the right of redemption. And at this stage, this court cannot pass any order. It is also submitted on behalf of the petitioner that there is some irregularity in conducting the auction. If there is any irregularity, it is always open to the petitioner to question the auction before the DRT, and DRT will consider the same in accordance with law. That aspect this court will not go into, as there is an effective alternative remedy. In that view of the matter, the writ petition is disposed of, giving liberty to the petitioner to avail the appropriate remedy in accordance with law. The petitioner shall have the benefit of section 14 of the Limitation Act.
But in the past, you had approached the High Court. In the past, you had approached this Honorable Court.
No, my lord.
In the past, the petitioners have approached this Honorable Court. He was given an opportunity to redeem the property. The order was passed on.
It is
11
submitted
September
that
26.
earlier also, Land Council for the bank submits that earlier also this court has given an opportunity to the petitioner to redeem the mortgage, but the same was not availed. Now after the auction is conducted, he cannot come before this court stating that he is ready to pay the amount. Yes.
Cell number, preliminary hearing B group, cell number 41, Rajendra MS.
I appear for the respondents 2 and 3.
My lord, I appearing before the petitioner, my lord. The senior counsel was not well. Senior was not well.
He is not well. When do you want?
Huh?
When do you want?
Next week.
Is this matter on 9th of April? Is 42?
Cell number 42. Sandeep Patil. Intake as Sarbati.
The last date of hearing, my lordship, recollect, there was a direction to the state to verify whether his name is finds in the charge sheet or other in the report. Made inquiry and verified it. I did not get his name. The prayer 3 is that his representative should be considered in accordance with past orders if subject to pending of any cases. To that extent, it can be disposed of.
But the annexure W has to be quashed, my lord, because if again I put my representation.
For that, if it has to be quashed, we can't quash it on instructions. Objections have to be there because it's a matter of history sheet.
Please, my lord.
It's a matter of history sheet.
No, this is where we are supposed to consider his bills. He claims that bill case, my lord, where the Lokayukta case is pending, something like that.
Please.
Find out.
So then we'll say consider in the light of.
Annexure W has to go.
Which one is that? Please show.
The W, my lord, page number 96.
We have given endorsement saying that.
Page number?
96, my lord. It's in Kannada vernacular language.
96.
Please.
What it says?
Well, this is a communication by the respondent number 6 to respondent number 4 stating that my bills will be cleared only if the Lokayukta case where the petitioners are not even arrayed as an accused to be closed.
So what I'll say is, no, as per the instructions of the AGA, is in that complaint or in that proceedings which they are referring to, the petitioner's name do not find place. Hence, the respondent shall consider shall clear the bills in accordance.
Pass the order. There is a representation he has given, annexed.
Yes.
That.
Yes.
And is in a time bound manner.
Yes, in a
Please,
time-bound manner.
Grateful.
The writ petition is filed. Especially the following prayer. So in council appearing for the petitioners of this act, the petitioners are the grade 1 public works contractors. It is submitted to the respondents who have called the tenders in the year 2011-12 for formation of roads and reconstruction of various roads passing to the limits of Magadhi Taluk. Petitioners have completed the work and awarded to each of them without any complaint or otherwise, and having found the works completed, the petitioners have submitted the bills before the respondent number 6 for payment towards the developmental works undertaken by the petitioners. The petitioners made a representation on 28/3/2013 through the Magadhi Taluk Civil Contract Sangha and Karnataka State Contractor Association before the respondent number 6 to process the pending bills due towards the developmental and escalating works undertaken by them. Pursuant thereto, respondent number 6 by letter dated 28/3/2013 addressed to respondent number 3 has stated that the petitioners have completed the works and sought permission for disbursement of the amounts for the payment of the bills submitted by the petitioner. Thereafter, respondent number 3, by letter dated 27/4/2013 addressed to respondent number 2, has stated that the petitioners have completed the developmental works that were allotted to them. There is neither any case or investigation that's pending against them. Thereafter, respondent number 2, by letter dated 22/6/2013, directed respondent number 4 to conduct inspection into the works undertaken by the petitioners and submit the inspection report along with the opinion pertaining to payment against the pending bills in respect of works undertaken by the petitioner. Then the first respondent in the meeting held on 1/7/2023, it is held that in respect to the contracts mentioned in Annexure 1, necessary steps have to be undertaken to initiate recovery proceedings against them, and Annexure 2 contains a list of contractors against whom the payment of pending bills is pending. It is submitted that by the impugned proceedings dated 28, what is the proceedings date? 9th February 2021. The sixth respondent, the fourth respondent has directed 6th or 6th in turn 4th.
Because the respondent number 6 files a letter to respondent number 4 dated 9/2/2021, 9th of February 2021.
Yes. The sixth respondent has addressed a letter to the fourth respondent that in the light of the pending investigation by the Lokayukta, the bills cannot be dispersed. It is submitted with the land council appearing for the petitioner that. So it is the complaint is pertaining to some other contractors, but the petitioner's bills are withheld by the respondents. It is submitted that they have completed the works in the year 2013.
Please, my lords. I've already submitted, my lords, as per Annexure C, my lords.
Date.
My lords, 6th December 2012, my lords, I have submitted my bills.
They have completed the works. So unreasonable, isn't it? 12 to 2025, 26. But even even whatever it is should have been concluded, isn't it, by this time? No, the contractor, whatever the amount he has to get, with all the interest and all, or nothing, what did you write? 2012.
2013 itself, my lords, in the
13.
year 2013, I
It said
completed.
they have completed the work. It is submitted that when the petitioner's name doesn't find place in the said inquiry contemplated or oblique conducted, the respondents cannot withhold the payments of the petitioner for these many years. In this regard, a representation was given on
That's 24/5/2000.
24/5/2019, 5/8/2019, 5/8/6/8/2019, 11/6/2019 and 14/10/2020 to process the bills is not considered. Agreed thereby, the petition is before this court. When this matter came up on the last occasion, this court has directed the learned AGA to find out whether in the said inquiry which is pending before the Lokayukta, the petitioner's finds place in the same. On instructions, it is submitted by the learned AGA that the name of the petitioner do not find place in the said inquiry. Having heard the counsels on either side, there is a material non-record. The petitioner who has completed the work in the year 2013 till 2026 is not able to get his bills are not processed only on the ground that on some contractors, the inquiry is pending before the Lokayukta. From the instructions of the learned AGA, it is clear that nothing is pending against the petitioner. In that view of the matter, the proceedings stated 9/2/2021. Accordingly, this court is passing the following order. The proceedings dated 9/2/2021 issued by the 6th respondent to the 4th respondent is set aside. Number 2, the respondent shall consider the representations dated. I have given the dates earlier. Dated so and so within a period of 8 weeks from the date of receipt of the copy of the order. Why should that rider be there? The court said consider the representation. While considering the representation, if there is any case, you will be informing him that giving the particulars in view of so and so, we are not considering. Yes.
Cell number 43. 43.
Yes.
PM.
The senior is not well, 1 week of time.
Senior citizen. It is submitted that the council is unwell. This is matter on 15th of April. Yes, next.
Number 44. 44 urgent. 45. Cell number 45. Chetan B.
Interim order to be extended.
Earlier matter, interim order earlier. Just your whatever interim orders are there, extend.
Lord, in this matter, my lord, the writ petition was filed to issuance of mandamus, my lord, for consideration of representation. Lord, in this meanwhile, my lord, my grievance was.
Sure, it took mandamus.
Yes, my
to
lord.
consider the representation.
Yes, my lord, it has become infructuous.
What is that
now.
representation?
My lord, now it has become infructuous. My lord, I had given representation stating that, my lord, in the Pipes and Wipes restaurant, there was a hookah bar running out without any proper license. Now, because of this representation or various other reason, my lord, the restaurant is stopped now. It's not.
It is land council, the present writ petition is filed seeking the following prayer. Land council, the appearing for the petition submits that the relief which is seeking before this court has already worked out as the said restaurant is closed.
The restaurant
is closed. Hence nothing survives for consideration in this petition. Recording the submission of the land council, the writ petition is dismissed as infructuous. List 46.
In this case, my lord, earlier occasion, my lordship has directed the ADLR to conduct the survey. But the survey conducted by the ADLR is not in proper and it not clarify the whether Godan and residential house comes under this.
Why was it adjourned on the last occasion?
I have.
Let him say. They have impleted.
Impleted, madam. Last occasion, I have filed the application and issued take notice. Copy has been served to the government, ADLR and Tahsildar.
No, tomorrow I'll pass orders. It's tomorrow.
47.
Petition. This was a matter, my lord, where lordship had heard it on the earlier occasion. As regards, my lord, the matter being under the central legislation, section 35 of the Surface Act having a overriding effect over the other legislations. My lord, as regards.
Is it that KDBA?
Not, it's a BUDS Act. KPID is different. It's the BUDS Act. Now, my lord, by virtue of the latest judgment rendered by Lordship Justice Pardiwala, where his lordship says under section 35, even if there is a conflict between two central legislations, it is Surface Act which has the overriding effect. That's what it is being said by Justice Padiwala in his latest judgment.
Give him a copy. I'll
I'll-
take it up. I'll
Tomorrow.
take it up tomorrow.
Very well.
This is matter tomorrow. Give it a copy
Yes,
to the.
Madam, may I request in the preliminary hearing so that it reaches early, madam? Because very short point, madam. May I request it to be listed in preliminary hearing so that it comes up at the top or? Because
So anyhow, I'll complete the list every day. So it will, wherever it is fine. Yes, tomorrow.
48. Till number 48.
I think petitioner in this case.
Yes.
Yeah, petitioners are the borrowers in this case and responded to the bank and
Who appears to the bank?
none of them are.
You have an interim order in your favor?
Yes,
Huh?
no,
No interim order.
yeah, sorry.
You have an interim order in your favor, I asked. This
Yeah,
is matter.
no, interim order has to be given. I prayed for interim order, Your Honor.
No,
No, it's already I prayed. They
this is
submitted on.
matter
No,
on 20, not 20th, this is matter on 2nd of April.
Till
Yes,
number
next.
49.
I'm
Manjula Devi.
I'm for the petitioner, my lordship. Complete already payment, as per Lok Adalat, I complete the payment, my lordship. But bank has not returned the original document, my lordship. Notice has been issued, my lordship. Due to all.
Tomorrow.
Please.
This is matter on 1st of April. When counsel for the respondent has served the copy on the counsel for the petitioner and also placed before this, take that.
Till number 50.
Yes,
Tomorrow.
Lord, I represent the petitioner, please, Lord.
yes.
Lord, 50% of the outstanding has been cleared. Another 50% has to be, I have to file an undertaking. A week's time may be accommodated to file undertaking.
It will go on. It will go on for another. Finally, list this matter on 2nd of April. By the time if the undertaking
Lord.
affidavit is not, this court will hear the matter on the merits of it and pass orders and no further time. It is made clear that no further time will be granted for filing the affidavit. Interim
Lord,
order
interim order
earlier
to
granted.
continue.
It will
Obliged.
continue. Yes, next.
Till number
Obliged.
51. Adjournment. 52.
So the petitioner in this case, Malaj, in this case, as per the OTS settlement before Lok Adalat, Malaj, the OTS was 3 crore 31 Malaj. Malaj, as on today, I have paid 2 crore 91 and the outstanding,
When was the Lok Adalat?
Malaj, 14/11/2025.
14/11?
2025.
Then why did you come to the High Court after Lok Adalat about?
Malaj, at the time of filing this writ petition, Malaj, I had paid 1
No, no,
crore
whatever
7.
it is, after a Lok Adalat award, why did you come to the court?
Malaj, for the extension, Malaj. But the coordinate bench, Malaj, had to take the instructions from the bank, Malaj.
No.
But
Lok Adalat, what is the extension by writ petition?
Malaj, this court has a just
No, court has,
dis-
this court has
discretionary.
no superpowers. The court
Malaj.
is also asked to, Lok Adalat award is a consent award between the parties.
Yes,
For extension that a writ petition will lie to the High Court.
Malaj, I may be permitted to produce this document, Malaj.
What is the document?
Malaj, I'll just. Malaj, page number 3, Malaj, of that memo. Malaj, they have agreed for the extension, Malaj. The bank has agreed for the
If
extension.
you both of you agree on that, then there is.
Yes, Malaj.
If they have agreed and they are not complying with it, you have an execution.
Malaj, they have
Please
agreed.
understand,
They
how
have
can there be
agreed
a-
till 17/3, Malaj. Malaj, today is 16, Malaj. Tomorrow is the last date. 34 lakhs is the last amount which I have to pay. Malaj, I am ready to do it within 2 or 3 weeks.
No, no,
Malaj.
I will
Malaj,
not,
I will
not
file.
even a day, not
I will
even a
file
day.
an undertaking affidavit, Malaj.
I will not interfere because this is not the way.
Malaj,
you-
it may post it tomorrow, Malaj. There's
I will post it tomorrow if you want, but I'm going to discuss it
Malaj,
tomorrow.
I'll produce a judgment, Malaj. Malaj, coordinate bench has dealt with
Coordinate
this.
bench, no coordinate bench judgment. An order which is passed by a court without contrary to the settled law is not binding on this court.
Yes,
So
Malaj.
you
but-
have to produce a judgment which says that An award, a Lok Adalat award which is passed, we can be questioned in a writ petition seeking extension of time. If you convince a court on that point, I'll entertain.
Yes.
But not because the coordinate benches
My lords, I may be
Tomorrow-
permit, yes.
Yes. All these MFAs will come on some other date.
I gave the date, ma'am.
Yes.
53 and 54 on 6/4 and the 55, 56 on 7/4. Till
Yes.
number 57,
What is this matter?
57,
For reporting, what is this reporting compliance?
Petitioners in this case, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, in this case, on the last occasion, this court has passed an order directing the first respondent government to conduct the survey and submit the report. My lord.
What happened? It's fine.
But copy is not served, my lord, because that whatever the report is there, that copy has to be served.
Then counsel for the learned HEA shall serve the copy of survey report on the counsel for the petitioner. This is matter on 6th of April.
Much obliged.
matter moved at the end of the list.
Yes.
And then.
Please,
Mr.
please,
Malapur.
My lord, in this matter, the sole reason I am seeking time in this matter, my lord, to clear the dues. The petitioners, they even underwent operation during the COVID period, my lord. Only sheer because of medical emergency, they could not pay the dues, my lord. And the loan amount was 1 crore, my lord, out of which 35 lakhs was paid. Now the due amount is 2 crore, 5 lakhs 90,760 rupees, my lord. I'll even file my memo of undertaking as well, my lord.
What?
I'll clear the dues within a period of 6 months, my lord. Even I had even made a representation to the bank stating that if it is restructured, my lord, then I would be obliged to pay. My lord,
Council is taken by surprise. Give them all the details. Let him have it tomorrow.
My lord, at 3 o'clock auction is there, my lord, today itself.
With all this now, I'll dismiss it with cause. With all this suppression, which you are not even aware of.
It's a residential house, my lord. In fact,
whatever it is, the party cannot come before this court with suppression of facts.
I completely understand.
Yes,
I'm in fact shocked.
Give the details. I'm not going to. Yes, next.
One humble submission, my lord. Serial number 40, my lord. I request for the hand delivery of the order, my lord. Today only I'll approach the DRT, my lord.
40?
40, my lord.
Hand delivery of the order in 40. Yes, next.
Let me know.
The Dharwad matter.
Please, minutes.
Yes, Mr. Srinath.
Millard's lordship have passed.
Where is your counsel for the respondent?
Millards, I have served a copy to them, Millards. In fact, Mr. Mallikarjun was just telling, just specify the way, Millards, he had requested me.
No, where is he?
I'll inform him, Millards, lordship would have it, 2:30 minutes. I've informed him, Millards, I've served a
Because
copy.
2:30 I'm having the full bench. Tomorrow?
Please, tomorrow
Tell him
2:30.
tomorrow 10:30. Tomorrow 10:30 I will take up.
Please. Please.
List this matter at 10:30 tomorrow. Please. This matter tomorrow 10:30. Though the petition is present, no representation on behalf of the respondent.
Please.
Where is the signature?
Court officer. Court officer. Court officer. 48 ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
54.
Okay.
ನೀನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ಅವ್ನ?
ಐವತ್ತೈದು 74 ಸರ್.
ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಮಾಡಿ?
Sir, 49.
ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಸರ್?
ಸರ್
55 ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್? ಎಷ್ಟು?
ಸರ್ 49 ನೋಡಿ
ಸರ್,
ಸರ್,
ಎಷ್ಟನೇ
ನಾಳೆಗ
ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್?
ಅಂತ
55 ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್.
49
55
ಸರ್ 48 ನೋಡಿ ಹಾಗೆ.
49 ಸರ್.
ಹಾಗೆ 48 ನೋಡಿ.
14 ಸರ್.
55
48 ನೋಡಿ ಹಾಗೆ.
55
48 ನೋಡಿ ಹಾಗೆ.
55
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ
ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸರ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ಕಾಪಿ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಸರ್, ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ 14
ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ನಮ್ದು ರಿಮೈಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
ನೀನು ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್. ಫೈಲ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫೈಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಇದು ಇನಫ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್
ನಮ್ದು ಇದ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಈಗ ನಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಫೈಲ್ ಕಳ್ಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಎಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಫೈಲ್ ಅದು? ಫೈಲ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಫೈಲ್ ಬೇಗ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ಗೆ. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾವೇನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅವಾಗ ಯಾರೋ ಫೋನ್ ಯಾರು ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು ಯಾರೋ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಇವರು ನಮ್ಮ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಹೊಸಬ್ರು ಪಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇವರು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡಿ. ಅವ್ಳು ಲಿಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾಳೆ ಗೋವಿಂದು. ಹೋಗಿ ಇವಾಗ ಫೈಲ್ ತಂದು ಕೊಡಪ್ಪ, ಹೋಗಿ ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ಗೆ. ಹುಷಾರು ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ
VC ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಲ್ಲ, VC
ಅಲ್ಲ, VC ಆದ್ರೆ ಫೈಲ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಫೈಲ್ ನಮಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಡೇಟ್ ಇರೋದು ನಾಳೆ కొంచెం ಬೇಗ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಅವ್ನು ಯಾರೋ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಂತೆ ನೋಡು, ಧಾರವಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಕೇಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೋ, ಇವಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತೆ. ಅದು ನಾಳೆಗಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಗಂಗಾಧರ್ ಸರ್ ಆ ಫೈಲು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾನಂತೆ ಗೋವಿಂದು.